Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Three Kingdoms grand strategy game, crashing, not working, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, keep stopping or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store and the search option, search for Three Kingdoms Grand Strategy, and here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, right, launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click on hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. After doing this, launch the game and check. Next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the game still doesn't work or doesn't launch, you can install a VPN to play the game hassle-free. For that, go to Google Play Store, in the search option search for VPN app and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it. After that, log into it, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to Google Play Store, in the search option, search for Three Kingdoms Grand Strategy game, and finally click on the install button to check if the game is launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.